Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and OS. Spatial video requires an iPhone 15 Pro or later and the newest iOS. Once done, free at least 2 to 4 GB of storage so clips can write fast. This prevents dropped frames. Make sure camera has location services and microphone permission. These metadata items help reconstruction. Now open camera, swipe to the video mode, and tap the spatial video icon to begin the capture pipeline. You're ready for the next configuration step. You'll now dial in capture settings for reliable spatial depth. Select HEVC or Pro Res with spatial toggled on. This preserves multiplane depth and color fidelity. Once selected, lock exposure and focus so the depth map doesn't shift during recording, and use a tripod or stabilizer because steady motion yields cleaner reconstruction. In practice, keep lighting even and avoid reflective surfaces that confuse depth sensors. After recording short test clips, review them in Photos to confirm this. You finish by exporting and verifying the spatial video. Save the original file via Share to Files or AirDrop to a Mac so editing apps can access depth channels. Third-party apps will let you convert to 3D formats. To validate, open the clip in Photos and tilt the device. You should see layered parallax. If the depth looks flat, retake with slightly more subject distance and consistent lighting, then restart the camera app. If problems persist, reboot the phone and retest to rule out temporary sensor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.